choosing the right strategy. See, so the thing is, I want to make one thing clear today. Till now, I was talking about automation, and Selenium, right? So you saw Selenium can automate almost everything. I won't say everything, but almost everything from scratch, even if the things or the pipelines or whatever the web pages are, they don't have APIs for it, right? But it's not always the right choice to start building something from scratch. If something is has some resources already available, if you are trying to automate some website, let's say, and the website has a document page nicely and it lets you use them, like it's not paid as well, the APIs, and they actually want you to use it for connecting with their product, so it's great. You should always follow that approach. So it's like you will know different ways to do a thing, but it's always the right choice you have to make based on your feasibility, and which will give you the better result and stability for that case. Okay, so this was about choosing the right strategy. And before going on to the problem statement, I would like to share one more instance with myself about you, which I use it in my, you can say, like daily life, like actual pipeline which I use. So okay, I have not promoting my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel and where I upload some content about automation, even full stack development or anything. I feel like something it is something insightful. I share it there. So I just wanted to make a pipeline which uploads YouTube shorts and which uses AI to upload them. So it won't need any manual intervention by me. But I was planning to approve it kind of thing. Okay, so I'll share one demo here where I run the pipeline and I'll show you how those things work and how I'm relating it to using the right strategy. Because in this case, in this pipeline which I have made, there could have been different ways I could have done it. I could have directly started it with building it from scratch, right? Because Selenium is able to do it. It would have logged in, it would have uploaded the video for me on YouTube, and it would have entered all the data for me. But it's not always the right thing because you need to see which is easier for you, right? Okay, so this is the thing. So what it does is it uses Gemini to generate a video. It is actually it generates codes, and the code has some error in it, and the users or the viewers are supposed to identify what is the error in the code and how to fix it. Okay, so what the AI does is there's the prompt mentioned here. It is in the generator file. Okay, it's open here. So it mentions about how I want the code to be generated and what is the language I want it to be generated in. And then it generates the YouTube shorts and it shows me a preview section where I can actually view the video and then it gets uploaded. I'll quickly just run it once so you all know what I'm talking about. I had the command mentioned somewhere. So for this one, I'm using three major things. So first is Gemini AI to, create the content or to generate the code. Then for the interface, I'm using Fast API to just view the actions, and it is easier to control from there. And to connect with YouTube, I'm using Google API. I need to activate the moment again. Okay. Okay. So starting the it's over now. Okay, it is running. The page is not yet open. Till the time, I guess I'm sharing my entire screen and not a tab. Okay. Let me go to the content section. And till the time it is opening. Okay. Application startup complete. Yes, it is started now. Please ignore the front end. It is not that great, but I just was trying something. So I'll choose language here. Let's say we go with JavaScript. So see how this pipeline works is I'll hit generate, and now in the terminal logs you can see the steps actually happening. In this output section, you'll get the code which is generated by AI, and it will have some issue. Of course, because the video is supposed to be that way. So see, it has generated the snippet. Now it adds some random YouTube music, some background music to it, and Now it will start generating the video. So in this snippet, you can see this snippet was generated by AI. Yeah. And AI will decide what will be the title and all the metadata for that video. And once it is done, in this section we will get a preview. And after approving it, it is going to upload it on YouTube for us. And in the logs, it will show. And even we have the playlist mentioned there, so it uploads for that particular playlist only. Okay, it is taking some. It takes some time to like actually generate the video. See, so this was the code snippet it generated. It is using some variable, and uh, it has some constant there, and this code has some issue. I'm not going to dig deep into it, but it has generated the video for us. I'll mute it because the voice will be too loud. And we can see the video it has generated. I'll play this. So it has the timer and all set, and it has spot the bug and comment below. Okay, and in the last seconds, like we have the description for the explanation as well. And if I approve here, see, in this videos you can see there's nothing present. Even in the shorts section, it's taking some time. Okay, yeah. So this is the last video published on 22nd March. Okay, I watched the video. I was like, okay, this looks good. I'll approve and save. And now just check this. It will upload it for us to take some time. Okay. One thing I wanted to share is whenever you have some pipeline, right, automation pipeline written by you, it is not like it will stay perfect throughout, like for long time. After some instance, you need to check it and you need some maintenance for it. So it is like having some efforts. It needs some efforts, but not active efforts compared to the actual hours saved for some job to be manually done. It is very less. So maintenance time is very less compared to the actual time spent on doing the task manually, whatever is automated. So yes, it has uploaded the video, added to this playlist, and I kept it 3 hours, scheduled it because I don't want it to directly be visible for the people. Yes, so it has saved. The previews is gone from here, and in this section, in video section, it must be uploading the video. Let me refresh it. Okay. See, so today is 31st March, and 31st March it has scheduled the video. The visibility is after 3 hours. No, sorry, after 1 hour. My bad. I forgot the delay which I kept. So it will be made public on at 12 p.m. 22. It was published on 11:22, and it has added the title as well based on whatever code was generated. So AI only handled this part as well. And yes, that was about this pipeline which I was talking about. So I just wanted to share like uh, you can automate many things which you do manually in real life. You just need to see where you are spending some efforts which are not relevant or which can be automated. And yeah, then life gets easy.